Hi everybody, I'm Juan Carlos Contreras. I'll be the presenter today in this video oriented to explain how to connect SQL Developer to Oracle databases created in the cloud. The most interesting part here will be that I am going to use two different cloud environments. One is AWS, which stands for Amazon Web Services. The other one, OCI, which stands for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Let me mention my intention is not to compare OCI and AWS to provide you biased recommendations, but basically my goal is to show you my findings while exploring the cloud according to my experience. So let's get started. First, let me mention both companies at the time of this video have a cloud free tier. I connect to my Oracle free tier in OCI. So let's click my customized browser toolbar to access it. Create accounts in OCI and AWS. So first, I did log into my OCI account. Let's close these warning messages for better visibility. As you can see, there are several cloud services available in the free tier that you can play with. But the one we are interested today is the autonomous transaction database. So let's click here in the hamburger menu and the autonomous transaction processing option. As you can see, the ATP database is available in the Oracle Cloud Region Ashburn. So I will click on the database name. Now I am going to click in the database connection. A new window will pop up and will let me download my cloud connection credentials. They are included into an Oracle wallet file. So let's download the wallet credentials by clicking the related button. It is asking me to secure the wallet with a password, which could be requested from the client software to enable the connection. So let's go ahead and type the password. Let's click in download. So let's save the wallet file on my laptop C drive for now. We can use the same wallet file from a different client environment to enable the connection. So let's go ahead and copy the wallet file into my credentials folder. You can copy the file in the location that you want. So now let's open my SQL Developer tool. Now I'm going to create a new database connection. So let's go ahead and click in the left side of the window. I will click on this sign plus button. So I will write a name for the connection. Let's name this as ATP connection. The authentication type will be the default one, and the username will be the administrator account. The connection type is the important part here because we need to select the cloud wallet type connection. The configuration file will be the one that previously we saved in the C location drive. Now you can select the database service name related to the connection. There are several possibilities here. So I'm going to select the medium database service. This is because I need to balance the resource consumption and the performance. So now I'm going to test the connection to confirm everything is okay. So the connection is successful. So after this, we can save the password for future or further use. Also, we can save the connection by clicking here in the at the bottom of the window. in the save button. So now let's connect. So let's confirm we are connected to the right database by executing or running a query against the $B instance view. So as you can see, the output confirms the ADP database version is 19C. So this is the end of the first part of this tutorial video. Thank you for watching, and please check the next video.